So we're going to look at median for group data. From what we've seen before, median is our middle value when the data is arranged in ascending order, right? It's ordered. Now, using group data, we need to have a cumulative frequency column. Now, we're going to locate the class that is going to contain the median position, not the value, but the position. So if we take the total frequency and we divide it by 2, that's going to tell us where the median position would lie. So what we're going to do now is we then need to look at the class that corresponds to this median position. And we will apply this formula in order to calculate the median. Now, the formula has a lot of variables in it. So let's talk about the variables. L is the lower boundary of the median class. So we must be able to identify our median class by taking the total frequency divided by 2 to find where the median position is. We will find the median position based on the cumulative frequency column, and that will then translate or relate to our median class. We'll see it in an example shortly. N is your total frequency. CF in this formula is the cumulative frequency before the median class. F is the frequency of the median class, not the cumulative, but the frequency of the median class. And W is your class width. And if you forgot how to calculate class width, it's the upper class boundary minus the lower class boundary. Now let's look at it in an example to make a bit more sense. So here's a worked example. These are the intervals, these are the frequencies. We create a cumulative frequency column. So the cumulative frequency, the last value here is actually my total frequency. So if I divide 20 by 2, because N, which is my total frequency, is 20, I will get 10. So I am looking for where the 10th position would lie based on my cumulative frequency. Up until this point, we only have 4 data values. Here we have 11, so it means my 10th position will be somewhere right here. So this is my median class. This is important because then it's going to allow me to find the other things that I need. Now remember, the formula is L. Let's get back the formula up here. L plus N over 2 minus CS over F multiplied by W. A lot going on there, right? So you need to probably make a little mental note of that. So L plus N over 2 minus CF over F multiplied by W. Now, N is going to be our total frequency, 20. Right? That's the total of our cumulative frequency column. We know that the median position is 10 and it falls in the 5 to 9 class. Now, looking at the median class, our lower boundary, L is my lower boundary of that class. Lower class boundary of 5 to 9 is equal to 4.5. It's 0.5 less than the lower limit. Right? We already calculated what N over 2 is. N over 2 is going to be 10. CF is the cumulative frequency of the class before. So going back up here, this is my cumulative frequency before. Oh. This is again. Go all the way in.